因为电动车是未来的趋势，起草好就有趁钱。最新的消息来关心美国电动车的大厂特斯拉，伫13号因有召开年度的股东会，股东嘛有投票批准马斯克会当领$560亿的薪水，差不多是代表1.8条。
特斯拉股东对执行长马斯克投信任票，批准以$560亿薪水的方案。特斯拉讲，这是对马斯克领导力正大的肯定，也是对于继续专心伫这份上大财富来源的鼓励。
He also wants to get up to a 25% stake in the company. He says that he needs that to develop artificial intelligence at Tesla and has threatened on his social media platform X that he might move AI development to a different company, another one of his companies, if he doesn't get a 25% stake. Why it's important to shareholders is Musk is kind of the company.
马斯克伫德州奥斯汀举行的年度股东会讲，唔那是为特斯拉开一个新的历史，也要开始写字。伊捌伫今年吹讲，希望伫特斯拉实现人工智慧目标进前，也让至少摕到特斯拉25%有表决权的控股权，互特斯拉发展真侪 AI 领先者时阵有更加强大的基础。进前伊持股是13%，案件通过伊可以变做2倍，不过抑过一关爱过，就是法官迄关。
By a Delaware judge who said that Musk basically controlled the board and that he was had too much control and it was unfair to shareholders to give him that pay package.
马斯克的薪水案早伫咧2018年股东会就通过，迄当阵的支持率是73%，不过案件伫今年1月被法官驳回。特斯拉董事会为了要说服法官4月伫咧走场，并且将方案交予股东会搁表决一遍。另外，特斯拉要甲总部对德拉瓦州迁到德州的案件，伫这边股东会也甲大家所预期的同款通过。公司新闻吴文玲编写。